Hello, this video is to quickly describe the new changes to the refresh button. In core list views, the refresh button, when clicked, just refreshes the list view once. Simpli list views has the refresh button automatically auto-refresh the list views, but sometimes people just want to be able to refresh the list view once. So we've used the same button and we've altered the behavior slightly. So let's go and take a look. You'll see here that we have our list view, and here is the refresh button. So if we click it once, what will now happen is that it'll refresh the data once, and that'll be it. But if you click the button again after it's refreshed within 5 seconds, then the auto refresh will kick in, and it will be similar to how it was before. And then if you click it again, once it's busy auto-refreshing, the auto-refresh will stop. So if we look at our example here, and we click it once, you'll see here it says list views refreshed, click within 5 seconds of data loading to auto-refresh. So if we don't click anything, it has just refreshed once, it won't refresh again, and it is very similar to the core Salesforce list views. Now, if I click it again, the data will refresh and it'll ask me, and then if I click it quickly within 5 seconds, you can see there that the auto refresh has started and it's going to refresh every 10 seconds, which is as the configuration for this list view has been provided. So you can see there that it has refreshed, and you can see here that the icon has changed to show that it is refreshing constantly. So if I now click this button, it is going to stop the refreshing. If you were to now click it within 5 seconds of having stopped it, it would start the refresh again. Okay, so that's the new changes to the refresh button. Just a quick note, the refresh rate is set in the list view config itself. Here it is, set to refresh of every 10 seconds. So if we were to change it to 13 seconds, and we were to close that. As a matter of fact, I think we have to we can try it, reset the page, because you have to reset the page in order for the refresh rate. We'll see what happens here. But if I click refresh, it's going to say within 5, and then if I reset, yep, it says every 10 seconds. But if I refresh the page, it is now going to say 13 seconds. So for that particular parameter, it requires a full refresh, as that value has been stored in the page cache. So here we have the refresh, the list view. I click it once, I click it again, and you can see there refreshing every 13 seconds. So there we go. That's the new refresh functionality.